Yes, Francois, we definitely got the answers, and it's not only down at the coast. If you're doing gravel, even on the tar roads nowadays, the thing is you're always at risk to get a flat tire, and with the tubeless tires it's so much easier to get yourself mobile in quick time, but you need the right equipment. And if I can take the Ironman 4x4 tire repair kit, it is really a fantastic product. It's got everything in it that you actually require, and there you go. There's more than enough space in it, so you can do a number of tire repairs. And the good thing about it, you don't even need to remove the tire from the vehicle, but you will also need a compressor, and with the next one we will go into that.